We'll continue with 10.2, seventh question. Here in this question also, we are supposed to write the question and the remainder after solving it by the division method. So the question is 4x raised to the power of 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x1 divided by 4x minus 1. So here there is missing something, that is 4 degrees there, 3 degrees there, 2 degrees missing. So you have to take care while writing this division formula. So 4x raised to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 0x square. This is the first twist in this question. So you have to write 0x square minus 7x plus 1 divided by 4x minus 1. So over here in the explanation part, it comes as 4x minus 1 multiplied by what will give you 4x square, x raised to the power of 4. So we are going to multiply by x cube. So the answer comes as x cube multiplied by 4x will give you 4x raised to the power of 4 minus x cube. This is what we are going to write. So this particular term goes as quotient, that is x cube. So 4x raised to the power of 4 minus x cube. So when we subtract, this becomes subtraction and this becomes addition. So 4 plus 4x and minus 4x, that becomes 0. Minus 5 plus 1. So it becomes as minus 4x cube plus 0x square minus 7x plus 1. We have got the digits down as it is. Now, what should I write over here? Minus 4x cube. 4x is there, 4x cube is there. So I have to multiply only by x square. So the explanation over here comes as 4x minus 1 multiplied by x square. Is I'm going to multiply by minus or only by plus? So I have to multiply by minus x square. So it becomes as minus 4x square and plus x square. Minus into minus is plus and minus into plus is minus. This is the change. So you have to be very careful with the negative sign. So what number we are going to write now? Minus x square. So minus x square into 4x is minus 4x cube. Minus into minus is plus. X square into 1 is x square. Followed, why we have written this as 0x square? Because we are going to get x square over there. And now if I subtract this, it will become plus and this will become minus. And now we are getting a value 0 over here. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. And 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus x square. Minus 7x plus 1. Now, this is 4x and this is x square. Since x variables, this is smaller and this is greater. That means this number is going to be divided by 4x. So now how to get that value? So over here, you should know one more thing, that is if I multiply by 4x minus 1 multiplied by what will get me x square. So here the third term, you have to be very careful how to find this. So it's very easy. Which number will come over here? So that I'll get minus x square and another number. So that is the first one. So that I will get 0 in the next step. So what we are going to do? You know that minus x square divided by 4. Minus x square divided by 4x. It comes in this manner. This x square is what? This x and this square gets over. So what we will get? Minus x upon 4. This is the part what we are going to write over here. Minus x upon 4. Got it? So why it comes over there? Now when you multiply 4x into minus. So what happens? 4 gets cancelled. What remains? Minus x square. Now it is easy. And minus x square upon 4 multiplied by minus will give you plus x upon 4. Got it? This is what you have to understand. If you understand this part, you will get the question, which term has to be written in the question. So now which term we are going to write? Minus x upon 4. So minus x upon 4 into 4 upon 4x. What will get? Minus x upon 4 into 4x will get as minus x square. Got it? So now when we subtract, we'll get 0. And minus x into minus 1. So minus x upon 4 into minus 1. So plus x upon 4. And when we subtract, we get plus and we get minus over here. Now this is 0. Now we have minus 7 and x upon 4. Now how to do this subtraction? Here also you have to keep it in mind how we have done. This is a fractional form. Minus 7x upon 1 minus x upon 4. Minus 7x and minus x upon 4. Now we want to make the denominators equal. Then only you can do the addition or subtraction of the fraction. So what we are going to do? You are going to multiply this fraction by the denominator which is over here. So that is 4. Got it? So 4's and this we are going to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So now what we have? Minus 7 into 4. So it is minus 28x upon 4 minus x upon 4. Now since it is together, denominators are equal. You can add it. Minus 28 and minus 1 is minus. We will get plus. So minus 29x upon 4. So we get an answer over here. Minus 29x upon 4. Now the plus 1 will come down. Got it? This is another twist what you have to understand while doing this. Now this is the part which I have shown you extra. It should go for your understanding. This is your understanding. So you should know what to do. Why we have written that. Now the next step. Now again we have 4x and we have x. So xx terms are there. So again it is divisible. But how to divide? Which term will give me? Which term I have to write over here? Now it is very easy. 29x upon 4 divided by 4x. So I'll write over here. Minus 29x upon 4 divided by 4x, which means this 4x is upon 1. Now you have done this part in 7 sample. So minus 29x upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4x. Now this x and this x goes. So what answer you will get? Minus 29 upon 16. 4 into 4 is 16. 29 into 1 is 29. So this is the part what you are going to write in the question for the fourth term. So what we are going to write over here, the explanation is 4x minus 1 multiplied by what term? So what we are going to do? We have taken 4x minus 1 into this term. That is what term I am going to get over here. So I have told you minus 29x upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4x. I have told you this particular part. You have to be very careful about this part. Okay, so over here minus 29 upon 16. Now when you multiply this 4x into minus 29 upon 16, you should know the multiplication. Minus 29 upon 16. So what we are going to do? I'll show it in the rough column over here. So what I am going to do? 4x multiplied by minus 29 upon 16. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So what answer I am getting? Minus 29x upon 4. So we have got 29x upon 4. So that's what we are going to write. Minus 29x upon 4 plus minus into minus will become plus. 29 into 1 is 1. Sorry, 29 into 1 is 29. So plus 29 upon 16. So what I am going to write over here? I am going to write over here as minus 29 upon 16. So 29 upon 4 into 4x is minus 29x upon 4. And minus into minus is plus. So I am going to get plus 29 upon 16. Now if I subtract, I get a plus sign over here, I get a minus sign over here. Now this becomes 0. Now the main part starts. What it is? Again the fractional addition, subtraction. Plus 1 minus 29 upon 16. Since this is 1 upon 1, that means I have to multiply by 16. multiplied by 16. So I get 16 minus 29 upon 16, that is equals to minus 13 upon 16. So what I am going to get? Minus 13 upon 16. This is the remainder. So what I am going to have? Quotient is equals to x cube minus x square minus x upon 4 minus 29 upon 16, and the remainder is minus 13 upon 16. This sum is very important. Since there are a lot of calculations, you have to be very careful while doing this. If you have followed, please do like, share and comment this video. Thank you.